Welcome to WhatGear Reviews. If you're in lockdown and you're getting some gaming sessions in and people are telling you,
but I'm not impressed by your performance,
then you might want to improve your performance with an audiophile quality set of gaming headphones like these, the Sennheiser GSP 370s. I'm going to unbox them today, give you guys a look at these things, and then run through the key features that you need to know about. You ready? Let's go. Well, this is like a Han Solo frozen in carbonite situation here. Check that out. USB cable, USB dongle, user guide. So there we go, there's everything that comes in the box with the GSP 370s. So first impressions of the GSP 370s. A lot smaller than the 670s and less futuristic looking, but that's not a bad thing. I actually really like the design of these. You got that matte grey colour, you got the black ear pads there, you got a nice velvet finish on the ear cups with a bit of Sennheiser branding on the inside. Very, very flexible headband and a very good amount of padding across the top here. It's kind of like a memory foam padding across the top, and that feels very, very nice. You've got a leather edge around the ear cups here, which is going to help isolate the sound inside the ear cups, so less distractions hopefully. The volume wheel is located here on the side and it's quite smooth but has a nice bit of tactile feedback there, and that just rolls continuously, so I guess it resets every time you reset the headphone, and once it peaks out it just won't go anymore, and then you can roll back to turn the volume down. That's pretty cool. The microphone itself is on the boom arm like the GSP 670s, and one of the cool features here is when it's up it mutes it automatically, when it's down it activates it. And then it's got this rubber flex piece here which allows you to adjust the mic to get it closer to your mouth. When it comes to buttons and ports, you've got a micro USB port there for charging and wired connections, and then you've got the on-off switch here, which is quite small, and there we go, we've got an LED light indicator as well, so those lights actually represent different modes and stuff like that, and I'm assuming that is when it's in pairing mode, looking for the dongle. When it comes to fitting these to your head, you have a clicky extension here, so you can adjust it to the right size for your head, and the ear cups do move as well, so you can get a really nice fit with these. So my first impressions are I actually really like this. I like the size being a bit smaller. They're a lot lighter than what I'm used to with the 670s. I do like the way that microphone flexes a bit more as well. But the real question is, how good is the sound quality? What are the mics like? And what makes these headphones awesome? So I'm just going to go and test these out now on some Call of Duty Warzone. So let's fast forward in time a few hours, and then I'll tell you what I think of the performance of the GSP 370s immediately after having used them. So stick around. Alright, so having just played about a 3-hour gaming session on Call of Duty Warzone, I have to say there's some differences between this and the more expensive GSP 670s, which I was using prior to these. So first of all, they're lighter, they're more comfortable actually, and the people I was playing Call of Duty with said that the mic actually sounds better, and that's probably because the length of the mic here isn't quite as long as it is on the 670 variant. When it comes to the sound quality, the sound is amazing, especially in the bass areas of the frequency range. In terms of the depth of sound, slightly better depth on the more expensive headphones, but these have got a really nice airy sort of feeling to them. You can hear all of the details. It's got a 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency range, which is perfect for gaming. The mic usage is also fantastic. So if you just click that down, it activates the mic. When you click it up, it deactivates the mic. The volume control, very easy to use. The only thing I would say about these is it'd be nice to have a chat mix wheel like you have on the 670s there, because sometimes when you're in a plane or in a car, you can't hear the voice over the sound of the vehicles, so that can be a bit annoying. I know you can change that in the settings on the games. One of the most standout features though when it comes to these particular headphones is the 100-hour battery life, which is insane for a gaming headphone. The other thing I noticed as well is when I went to the kitchen to get a drink a couple of times through the gaming session, is the sound quality didn't distort at all, whereas on the 670s they did, and that might be to do with the size of the dongle and the chip inside the dongle. So in my opinion, there's 3 good reasons why you'd want to pick up these headphones. And the number one is comfort. They're so comfortable, much more comfortable than the more expensive 670s. The second reason is the bass. There's crazy bass and great sound quality. And the third and biggest reason you probably want to buy these is the 100-hour battery life. And on top of that, they're a little bit more low-key than the 670s. They're really cool, but I do like the 670s as well. And if I had the choice, I think I'd probably go with the 670s just for that slightly more detailed sound. But this has got better mics, it's lighter, it's smaller, and arguably has a better range. So there's good reasons to check out both of them. I'd probably say if budget is a concern, these are a fantastic pair of headphones. If you're not concerned about spending the extra money and you want a slightly better sound, then go with the 670s. But I really do love these headphones. They're so awesome. If there's anything you guys want to know about these, hit me up in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you just subscribed, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man. See you in the next one. Don't be late.